Welcome back, life science learners. We've been looking at biomes. In the previous segments, we've looked at terrestrial biomes. In our segment now, we're going to look at aquatic biomes. Before we get into aquatic biomes, it's important that we recognize that the terrestrial biomes referred predominantly to all the biomes that are found on land. As we unpack the aquatic biomes, we're going to be looking at the types of aquatic biomes and try and get a sense of where these are. So let's get straight into understanding what are aquatic biomes. So guys, when we look at the aquatic biomes in South Africa, we've got to recognize we have freshwater biomes and marine water biomes. So what is it that we mean by when we refer to a freshwater biome? So think of all those water bodies that do not have salt, okay? And if we talk about the marine biomes, we're referring to essentially those biomes that have presence of salt in the water. So your marine biomes are much larger in terms of areas, and they have a large salt content when compared to your freshwater biomes. South Africa has a long coastline which stretches to over 3,000 kilometers along the east coast, the southern part, as well as the western coast. This long shoreline allowed for the development of many types of marine ecosystems. So we're going to look at these biomes from trying to understand this. So when we look at South Africa, we can see that you've got a predominantly coastal area that covers over 3,000 kilometers. And so we've got the Atlantic Ocean along the western coast, we've got the Indian Ocean along the eastern coast. And so these typical coasts have different types of water that enters in these areas. So we're going to look at that in a little while. When we look at the aquatic biomes, it's important that we look at the abiotic factors and how these have an effect on the kinds of plants and animals and communities that are found along these coastlines. So what influences these would be the ocean currents, the amount of oxygen and salt in the water, the tides that are experienced, as well as the temperature changes. And so all of these factors influence the types of plants as well as marine organisms found in those areas. So as we saw in our terrestrial biomes, we looked at the effect of temperature and the climate. When we're looking at our aquatic biomes, we've got to look at these factors: the ocean currents, the amount of oxygen, the effect of tides, as well as temperature changes in the water. Okay. So as we stand back and reflect on the types of oceans that we have, as I mentioned, along the east coast we've got the Atlantic, on the western coast we've got the Atlantic Ocean, along the Indian Ocean, on the east coast we've got the warm Benguela current. And this is the water that comes down from the equatorial north area into the southern parts, and that brings in warm water that goes towards the southern tip of South Africa. We also have along the west coast, we've got the cold Benguela current. And this is water that comes in from the Antarctic, which is extremely cold. And that brings in this area, we've got the cooler waters along the western coast, and we've got the warmer waters along the eastern coast. And this unique difference in temperature also creates certain microclimates or areas which have typical plants and animals or aquatic plants and aquatic animals that inhabit these areas. So as I mentioned, we can broadly divide these into the freshwater biomes and your marine biomes. The freshwater biomes are divided into three different types. These are your dams and lakes, rivers, along with your wetlands. So in terms of us understanding where freshwater is found, dams, rivers, lakes, and wetlands are often identified as areas that have fresh water that we can consume in terms of that is not salty. And these have typical types of temperatures as well as pH of water, as well as the type of temperature that's found in the area that influences the temperature of the water. When we look at aquatic biomes that are marine, these are divided into your sandy shores, your rocky shores, your coral reefs, your mangrove swamps, estuaries, as well as your oceans and your open seas. And guys, when we try and unpack these, we're going to have to look at, again, the typical type of microorganisms or aquatic organisms that live there, and how that is influenced by the terrain or the area. Right.
So as we wrap this,
we've looked at South Africa's seven terrestrial biomes. We're now going to spend some time looking at each aquatic biome in detail and try to understand what this looks like and how it constitutes the types of plants and animals found in these aquatic environments. You've been a good audience for a short while. Let's have a break and I'll see you back in a bit.